here.
Oh, Draco must be the vulture. You're probably
Right
just
here.
trying to eat the
I'm
bodies.
not the vulture.
You
It's
weird
right
vulture.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are. You're just going around. You're like,
I'm not the vulture. Stay away from me,
your
Gold.
lips are
I just wanna eat duck.
salivating. Your duck beaks are salivating. You're like, where's the carcass? Where's the carcass, guys? Guys.
Oh yeah, why is he? That's
Yeah,
so
he's
true.
the
Why would he ask
vulture.
that?
He's
Wait,
literally the vulture.
Well,
wait, actually,
Even
Yo,
if I
stab
was
him.
the vulture,
Stab
even
him.
if I was the vulture has to eat 2 dead bodies.
what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna call the police. Rainbow.
Rainbow, it's
All
fine.
right. Long
You know
story
what to do,
short,
right?
I'm not doing the ring
Rainbow,
around. Draco's lips were salivating. He really wanted to eat Lunar's carcass. He was the vulture, and then Gold stabbed him. That is the story. Gold,
you
you're
believe
bad.
her?
You're bad, Duck.
No. Do you really believe her? Because I wasn't even near Draco. I didn't even see
Gold.
anybody.
Gold. You are double. You
Dou-
are being a double duck right now. Okay.
Double duck.
You were gonna accuse me last round.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's-
I forgot.
I'm
I
sorry.
I'm
I'm sorry, Goose. I'm sorry, little duck.
Gold, you were ducked too many times. Get out of this map right now.
I'm the most devious duck out there.
Yeah.
Finally, we win.
I would have won.
Draco,
No, you
why
wouldn't.
would you
Why
ask
does
where
no one
Lunar's
listen
corpse?
to me?
My test. Oh, I mean, doing my test because I'm a goose. Whoa. Who's behind me? I'm doing a task. Hey.
Me, dude. What?
Oh. Did you see any suspicious... Oh! Lunar! I shouldn't have trusted her.
She's crazy.
She's...
She's
She didn't even be talking.
just going. She's just walking forward and killing.
I was a party duck, bro! My
I
goal
know,
was
she
to
just-
just be a clown.
She doesn't even say anything. She just goes swoop.